Heading out to cash the checks that I picked up yesterday. I had to wait for this morning for a package. So, it hasn't come in yet, but I want to go cash. My fiance got there, and then she's supposed to be waiting for that package for me now. I still need to once I get to the bank, I'll cash 3 checks, and let's see what happens after that. Hopefully everything goes okay when I cash these checks. So, we will see. Heading out to the last 2 things I need to go do. Check my home mail, see if there's any more checks, see if there's anything else, and then go cash it. I got 1 check, but I already cashed my 3 checks this morning. We gotta go back and cash 1 more, my actual paycheck, and then my other check I got. So, let's see how everything is after this. Yeah, pretty much. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. And then we go eat Dairy Queen. Oh man, I'm freaking starving, man. And after that, I gotta go buy some waters for the house. What the hell? We'll see. Checks, finally. I'm just still waiting for 2 more checks. They haven't gotten here yet, so I wonder why. Freaking. Got 2 more checks. Got 3 more computers inside. And that's pretty much it. So, we are gonna go pick up DQ. Because I am freaking started, man. Yeah, so. Food, baby. Food. Sure. Man, that was freaking fast that we ordered and our freaking food came in. Look at that. Dude. Freaking triple meat. Onion rings. Ketchup. Disgusting. Get away freaking from my camera, too.
Well then, shut up.
Get it freaking away from my camera. Damn. Crazy thing that just happened to me not too long ago. I got charged $22. $22 at Dairy Queen. They a triple buster with some order onion rings, about $11, about $12 to say, and then about a $6 meal deal for about $3.41. And they offered me dollar blizzards, dollar small mini blizzards. Yes, I said it. Dollar mini blizzards. And they charged me $259 for each blizzard. So total came out to about $22.47. I bring it up to her. Hey, what happened? How come I'm not getting my blizzard for $1? Well, they looked it up. They started talking to managers and everything. Turned out that I was right. They charged me incorrectly. They didn't want to refund my money, so they offered me an extra blizzard. I'm like, sure, why not? As long as I get that free extra blizzard, right? As long as I get my money's worth. That's the main concept. The main important concept about this right here: always look at your receipts when you sit down, and make sure to go over it and look at every single aspect that they tell you, and exactly the prices menu at the top. Always compare it to what's on the receipt. It should match. If it doesn't, question it. But you can always question it after you eat. So if you come, so if they don't, so they won't. Some people are afraid that they're gonna spit in your food. So just to hear y'all, just to let y'all know. Keep an eye on your receipt at all times. Always get a receipt and just verify all your information because they could screw you over. Because I just proved that today. Just showed my fiance that they made a mistake and it should have been corrected. So now, time to get back to work. After this long journey of food, awesomeness. Oh guys, we just got here back to the office. So now we're waiting for a customer. Look, that thing is a customer. Oh.
Ah, my finger!
Nah, bitch, it's only her. Nah, bitch, she's all freaking late outside, coming from outside. Well, now we just time to wait and see what happens. Let's see and wait. Let's see what happens. And we're leaving the office early today. So we're heading out to Corpus now. So let's see what we find out there in CC. So, yeah. Gotta go pick up, we gotta go. My fiance went to go in her car to go to take my sister to real quick to the dollar store, and we went to my mom went to go meet me at the house, and I went real quick to the store in my car. So we're all gonna meet up at my place to get together and take off in my fiance's car, take off straight to Corpus Christi. So let's see how that goes out there. Because my parents want to go Pokemon hunting in CC, so well, I just said, you know what, let's go for it. It's just to get out of town. Out of town for once. Hopefully everything's okay.
I'm telling myself that I'm going to Corpus.
Look at the
Maria
homies.
was with Aaron again. And he
Homies.
that I told him. Who?
Hi, homie.
I thought you said that
there
has to be more to the story.
Homies. Well, guys, we are out here at Corpus Christi, Texas. We're out here playing Pokemon Go again, round. So, and there's a Caterpie near the water. How is that? So, yeah, we're gonna be playing Pokemon Go. I had to unfortunately delete my game and re-download it again. Thank God. And it wasn't working right. Wasn't working right. Wasn't loading. So, yeah, unfortunately, I'm lucky I have everything still. Did everybody close the doors? So we can take off walking for the 3 mile wide. Let me take off my shirt. Let me lock my car, and then let me lock my shirt with the safe. Yeah, so let's see. It searched far and wide. Hopefully we'll see a legendary here. Legendary Kimberly. So, yep. Look at everybody. Look at everybody. Pokemoners. Hi, I know I'm number 1. Yeah. Who's gonna live it? Oh, Abriel. Look, this magic carp. Yeah. Look at that kid over there in the khaki pants. Yep. Enjoying the water out here. Look at that water. was trying to look down and I couldn't see down.
Watch where it's going.
It fell in an epic fail. Nah, but I'm good. I lived, survived the apocalypse. What happened? What's in here? Damn. Look at all these people out here still again. Second day. Second day out here. Oh, it's a Rattata. Second day at Pokemon. Out here at TC at the American Bank Center, correct? American Bank Center. And all these people over here. Look at that. Look at all those people out here. It's freaking crazy. Freaking crazy, man. There's so much people. There's so much people out here. How much more people there are out there as we get closer. Let's see how it is.
Pokemoner?
Oh, you got the thing?
Yeah. Nice. Pokemoner.
Man, we're out here at Taco Bell. We're freaking eating. After all that searching, man. Got so many new things today. Freaking crazy, and it was still a lot of people. So, man, look at that. The $5 value pack. Tacos over there. Look at that one over there. Eating a box. Look at that one over there. Eating a box over there. So, damn. It's freaking amazing, man. Man, just got in from Corpus, got here to our room. Freaking tired. And I'm freaking just exhausted. Let me get to, I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. I'm freaking exhausted. I'm gonna go to bed. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Twitter, Facebook, whatever else I got, and I will see y'all in my next vlog. Booyah.